What's up everybody, Andrew here. Wanted to talk about my camera setup on my kayak. It wasn't working for me at all, and I didn't even record yesterday with this just because it's so much motion that I don't get a good shot and it rotates. I mean, just see how much that's with just like a wave or going over whatever. There's so much motion, and occasionally it'll be tilted down too far, then it's too much of a view down at the head versus up this way. And then this mount isn't great. It's great for the light, but the mount will tend to turn. And then the GoPro is aimed that way, but you don't know until the end. So this one's getting scrapped, and I'm gonna get an action hat so that I can have a point of view from here. Wherever my head goes, everything's out in front of me. I don't really need the over-the-shoulder view as much as I thought. It's nice, but I think having it from here would be much better. So I'm gonna get rid of that and go with the action hat. This was my other setup. It's a ram mount that hooks into the track, and it was good at first. It gets a nice view, but it's too far, and it is very wobbly. Very wobbly. And I wasn't getting good shots, and I think because it was so loose, it would pick up a lot of the vibration from the pedals going back and forth, which I've mentioned in the past. So what I did for my trip yesterday, which I'll put some footage in right about now, and I'll come back here. There we go. Hey, baby red. There we go. Hey, a little gag grouper. Little gag grouper. I removed this arm, and I had just this set up, and it was way better. So I'm gonna take it apart, put it back the way I had it, and I'll get back to you in a second. I took out the arm. This was for the middle elbow, and then this was the lower, because the end mount has the GoPro attachment on it. So it is just way sturdier. It goes back to position quicker. I have a little bit of a closer view, because the other one was over here, which was probably about 2 feet behind where this one is, so it's a better view altogether. And the footage yesterday was rock solid. It was smooth, good view, good angle. So I'm gonna go with this one for the foreseeable future. Instead of buying something new, just modify what I have instead of spending a ton of money. And once I get that action hat, I should be set. More so, I'm happy with the camera angles than anything. So we'll see you in the next video.